So I'm like in the middle of doing all this other stuff, and I'm getting ready to paint that cross member on the inside. And I look down and I'm fixing to cut some of the cowl out, and the windshield wipers are still in the way. So I was thinking, if you didn't know how to take the windshield wiper out, that would be a good, really, really quick video. So if you want to see how to take the windshield wiper off of your 65, 66 Mustang, stick around. This is one of those relatively super easy things, but if you don't know how to do it, you might spend some time trying to pull it off or see if there's some kind of release or something. But all you really need, and I'm going to protect this because I'm cutting it out with a plasma cutter in a little bit. But okay, so if you have a bunch of super duper paint and you don't want to scratch it, get a piece of wood. I'm using the paintbrush, and I'm going to use to paint the cross member here in a minute, and just get under it and then pry up. But of course it's not doing it now that I want to show you. You dirty whore. Oh, my wood block just fell. Just a second. Let me put you down and get my wood block back, and then I'll probably have to use two hands. It's trying to wood block me. Okay, so you get up underneath of it, and you break your... This is ridiculous. This is not that hard, but see, even if you... There you go. Did you see it? I broke my windshield my paintbrush. But it came off. It just pries right off. You use a piece of wood to protect your paint, and as you can tell, it's just spline to go over top of that. So there you go, and that's all it takes. Oh, it's a piece of crap, and this must be the horn buzzer or something. So there you go. I even showed you me not doing too well dropping the paintbrush, breaking paintbrush, but it's really a simple thing, and I figured I could help somebody out, one or two people. So anyways, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, do whatever you're gonna do, but I really appreciate everybody that's supporting me. So have a great day.